back to another video. Your boy just uploaded a fresh new tune. My boy Yosh sent me over. Actually, Happy New Year's. I forgot to even say that. I was gonna have a video out before that, or a little bit after that, and I guess this is gonna be the video. But Happy New Year's, everybody, man. Hopefully 2025 is a year that this channel blows up. You feel me? That'd be amazing. I'm gonna really grind this year. You feel me? And see how far I could get zoovie. You feel me? Not Sean, but zoovie, the channel. But if I sound a little stuffy, I'm still sick. Damn. That's why I sound so. That's why I sound stuffy, man. I can't get over this sickness. I'm still sick. But like I was saying before, my boy Yosh sent me over a fresh new tune, man. And then also I just played with Cortex, which is my boost controller. And it should feel a little spicy. We're gonna see. So I don't know if you guys remember in the last video, I was complaining about is there a cop somewhere? Why is this thing beeping already? If you guys remember in the last video, I was complaining about how rich the tune was. I think my boy fixed that. Low key. I am supposed to be data logging the little daily drive, so let me do that. Let me get to a light first. Actually, it doesn't even matter. Boom. Alright, so we're logging. I believe. Yeah, we're logging. But yeah. AFRs used to be straight 13s and 12s while daily driving. And you know, if you know anything about your car, you know they're supposed to be in the 14s or close to the 14s, so you get like the best gas mileage. Bro, my gas mileage, I was getting like 8 miles per gallon, bro. 8 miles per gallon is crazy. But right now, looking at the AFRs, it's smooth. They look smooth. Hopefully, you know, this gas I just put in yesterday could last me until Monday. Because realistically, a half a tank lasts me at least a day or two. That's how bad I was burning gas. Like, it was bad. Also, the way the car drives right now is super smooth. Like, super smooth. It don't feel sluggish. You kind of can feel when your car is like getting too much fuel, because like it just feels sluggish. Like you can press the pedal and you'll see the AFRs drop to like 12, 11s, and then the car doesn't feel like it wants to move. It feels like it's just, I don't know how to explain it. But if you're a car guy, man, and your car is tuned, and you probably felt something like that before. But right now, thing feels good. Too spicy. But also the tires are freaking cold. So like I said before, I did change up literally everything for the boost. So I'm guessing it's just gonna spin the tires. And also the road is a little damp. It's always a little damp in the morning, so that didn't help either. But I feel like if I could have a very dry road, I feel like this car is gonna grip for the PSI is at. But yeah, that was a little too spicy. And look at that 8th gen right there, bro. Damn, I ain't gonna lie, I think his exhaust is falling, but after that, it's clean. So hey, by the way, if anybody's watching right now and trying to figure out like why was he in kilometers? When you have a built transmission in your 9th Gen Si, your speedo is all messed up. Your VSS is all messed up. You feel me? So like it will say I'm going 20 miles per hour, but in reality I'm probably going like 40, 50. So like, yeah. If it says I'm going 40 miles per hour, in reality I'm going like 100. So like that's how bad it's off. So I keep it in the kilometers sometimes because it gets kind of close to where I'm going, but after like 90 kilometers, it doesn't read correctly at all. Like underneath that, it's at least like 10 miles off, and I can be like, all right, if I see 44 kilometers, I know I'm going to like 55, 56. But yeah, so stop commenting, is the speedo broken? Yes, the speedo is broken. Don't look at the speedo. Look at me shifting gears, and look at the RPMs. That could kind of tell you how fast I'm going. The top of fourth is 135 miles per hour. The top of third is 100 miles per hour. Top of fifth is like 160. So, if you ever see me shift into fifth, just know I'm flying. Car sounds so good. Oh my gosh. The road is too wet for me to do pulls. It literally just wants to light up the tires. And I'm not turning the boost back down, bro. I'm not turning the boost back down, bro. It's only 16 PSI. Stupid floor wanna be wet and stuff. Damn, bro. Car still sounds freaking amazing though. What the hell? Starts to build boost around like 3,000 RPMs. Just because of the way I set it up on Cortex. If you have a 9th Gen Si, you want to get like boost by gear and stuff, Cortex EBC, it's the only way we could do it. Unless you go like, you know, standalone ECU. But at that point, you must have money. I ain't got money. You know, I haven't done a second gear hit in this car, so I kind of low-key want to do one. That was fun. And you know what's crazy? This street is usually deep with police. And I still did the pull. You know why? Because I'm a... But yeah, man. The tires are getting roasted. Maybe I just need new tires. Cause I honestly don't want to lower the boots, bro. Like, it's annoying having to like do 8 PSI and then try to bring it all the way up to 19, 17 PSI. It's not fun, bro. It feels very, I mean, the car grips, but I don't know, bro. I don't like it. That's why I changed up the boost levels to see if the car is still gonna grip with a little higher boost and a little bit lower PSI in the tires. And maybe it's just cold outside. Who knows? Oh my gosh! Stop blazing the tires. I'm about to change up the tune. Oh man. Oh, grab this laptop. Damn, y'all didn't know your boy Zoovie was a tuner. Damn, bruh. I am not tuning. I am just changing boost levels. Because I don't know what's going on why this thing is just, maybe it's my my spool feature for third gear, but I'm taking it off. So hopefully this right here solves the problem. And that's third gear. Hopefully this right here solves the damn problem. All right. I took the spool feature off, so we're gonna see if it still wants to spin that aggressively. So if y'all are asking what is the spool feature, well, in Cortex you're able to do a quick spool to essentially get your car going before before it hits its target. So I just adjusted that, took it completely off, and we're gonna see if it's still gonna do it. And the tires are still getting roasted. Maybe it's just cold outside, bro. This is crazy. I'm trying not to spin and this car does not want to. Oh my gosh, yeah. It is laying rubber down. Oh my gosh, I don't want to lower the boost level, bro. I really don't. And it was crazy. I lowered the PSI in the tires, bro. The tires got like 12 PSI in it, bro. And I don't want to go buy new tires, bro. I guess I gotta play with the boost levels again. But so far this car feels amazing. And look at that, tire pressure light just popped up. Tire pressure light just popped up. Oh man. I hope I didn't run over a nail or something. But all I know is that these tires have literally no PSI in them. Yosh, bro, if you watching the video, bro, I think I made the boost a little too spicy, and you probably made the tune a little bit too spicy as well. But it's okay, cause I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix the boost levels. Whoa, buddy. Buddy was real close to my car. But yeah, guys, the tune is spicy. Tune is spicy, boost is spicy. Car feels good. I'm just thinking that I need to lower the boost in the mid-range. I'm guessing, so it doesn't spin. Even though I really don't want to, it seems like I have to. And then I'm gonna have to dump all the boost in fourth gear. And I don't want to do that as well. But it seems like I have to. Because third gear is still a little bit too spicy. But yeah, guys, that's where I'm at off the video, man. I'm already by my job. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Follow your boy on Instagram at _GotTheSoda. Head to your boy merch site, www.zooviegarage.com. And yeah, stay tuned for more updates and, you know, pool videos, bro. Your boy's out. Peace.
Yeah. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind.